When pipes freeze, they can burst, causing thousands of dollars in damage. You can prevent frozen pipes in your home. I'll show you how. In most homes, pipes are installed within the conditioned space where the warmth of the house keeps them from freezing if the thermostat is set no lower than 55 degrees. But that doesn't mean your home is immune to freezing pipes. Freezing most commonly occurs in outdoor spigots. Now in the winter, these should either be completely turned off and drained using a shutoff valve from the inside, or covered with an insulating cap on the outside. The best practice is to install freeze-proof spigots, which keep the valve well inside the conditioned space of the house. Now, if you have pipes that are installed in exterior walls, you may be able to keep them from freezing by opening cabinet doors to allow warm air to circulate, or leave the tap dripping slightly, which keeps the water moving just enough to prevent freezing. However, in attics, where airflow is part of the design of the space, or in particularly cold climates, pipe heating cable will need to be used. You wrap the heating element part of the cable around the pipe with the thermostat button against the pipe. Secure it with zip ties and plug it in. Now when the temperature of the pipe drops close to freezing, the cable automatically turns on, slightly warming the pipe to avoid freezing. And once the temperatures rise again, the cable automatically turns off. Taking these steps now will help you avoid a big headache from burst pipes later. This will help make your home a more comfortable and worry-free place to live.